Hey everybody, this is Greg Napier from Columbus, Ohio. I'm shooting this quick video here from my home office. Today I want to talk to you guys about something that's very dear to my heart. I've been around this industry of network marketing for close to 5 years. And what I've seen in the beginning, I saw a whole lot of stuff. I was brand new. I didn't really quite understand what was going on. And as time went on, I kept hearing people speaking about this particular thing called value. So what I want to do is talk to you about adding value to the people that you come in contact with on a day-to-day basis, adding value to the people that you're interacting with, whether it be online or offline. When you add value, value will come back to you. Now, I know you're probably saying, okay, Greg, explain that. Well, when you adding value, you do it some of you may do it, in your course of your day. When you calling a person up and giving them a tip about something that you may have heard about, with not expecting anything in return for that, even though you should be expecting something, reciprocated back to you, but don't always look to get something out of somebody. Just always, I know some of you've probably heard it's better to give than to receive. Well, that's true. And you want to give. So with all that said, what I'm basically trying to get to is that when you add value to a person, it builds that person up. It makes them feel like they're needed and wanted, and they want to keep coming back to you because they view you as an authority figure or somebody that's just not trying to, get over on them or just have an ulterior motive to use them. Be genuine and show that person or those persons that you really are genuinely a real person trying to help them. So every now and then, just unexpectedly, you call the person up or you text the person and you say, hey, Susie, I was just calling to see if there was anything that I could help you with today. I know that, you've in the past, you've tried different things in this nature. How about trying this? Build the person up. And then you will be surprised at how far that will go in your business and your personal life. I mean, you always want to constantly keep adding value to people because the more you give out, the more you'll get back in. And I don't want to take up a whole lot of time with that. If you need to get a little bit more information from me pertaining to creating value, there will be a link below that you can click on. And you'll be able to go through and you'll see all of the different things that where I can show you how to add value to your personal life as well as your business life. Because just face it, folks, there's a lot of noise out here on the internet, and I've heard it. I've heard a lot of it. Just put it this way. I can't say I've heard it all because each and every day we keep evolving. So I don't want to go on, get on my soapbox talk. That is very near and dear to my heart because you got so many people out here positioning themselves as quote unquote gurus. And they use that word real loosely. And then what they do is they just use people. Just plain out simple. I'm going to give you the facts. They use people. They come with an angle. It's like the fox in the hen house. You see what I'm saying? They come and give you all this little fluffy stuff, but they got a hidden agenda to slam the door on you. They don't have anything to where they're trying to help you. So with all that said, click the link below and you can find out exactly what I'm talking about as far as adding value to your personal life and your business life. This is Greg Napier signing off from my wonderful home office here in Columbus, Ohio. I'll see you guys later.